So we finna hit the studio. May get gas. Gotta go make some hits. Y'all stay tuned for this
when I dropped out. You ain't me, so you won't know though. How I feel I'm moving solo. For a minute I was living.
That's in the car.
Hey, go on the other side.
It's like, what the fuck?
Roll that window down. Roll that window down.
Hey, go on the other
Go
side.
on the other side.
Oh, hell no. Oh, all you motherfuckers right here.
Throw that shit on the floor in the middle.
Is this going on your vlog?
Yep.
They suck my cock.
Fuck your vlog.
I know, right?
I need 10%.
At the fucking studio with Jay Smooth and Looney Lokes and Marcus and everybody else.
About to make a hit.
There's a studio right there.
This is right there, you know.
Cardboard boxes and everything all set up for us.
Illa.
Chairs.
Yeah, you can diss Illa like that.
Hey, your fucking phone by a string?
Hey, look.
You feel me? Do you feel me?
Bro, man.
Do you feel me?
For an hour?
Yeah.
You guys got
HT made the way.
I know this bitch night straight steadily doing me dirty, but I'm still up in her. I'm starting to get too much, feel like my time coming early. Street killing me slowly, and I don't even know. Let this bitch only love me when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
HT made the way.
I know this bitch named Street steadily doing me dirty, but I'm still up in her while I'm gripping this 30. Orders in up in a phantom when a nigga feel worried. Start thinking too much, feel like my time coming early. Street killing me slowly, and I don't even notice. Love this bitch so much, it's hard for me to get over. Even my homies.
Get up in my jeans, but the streets are getting colder. Getting mad, counting all this paper while these hoes are getting sad. Hearts getting broken, a nigga with no feelings. Never catch feelings for a fucking stupid bitch. Better watch out. Plus you running out the snitch. Feeding for some dick, feeding for some clout. Speaking on my name, I'ma shut that shit out, cause I'm pistol packing. And the nigga stay cuffed, and I was only 14 with a mug on me. You could catch me on the first.
like that, or did you want to add another 2 bars? You like that take, or you want to do another one?
Yeah, do another one. I messed up on the mug on you.
Oh, yeah.
See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Street so cold, they be doing you dirty. Got this 40 on my lap, but he gripping the 30, I'm chasing the green. Got these streets and me, these bitches fucking.
I'll tell him.
Get up in my dreams, but the streets are getting colder. Niggas getting.
Hey, my album next month. Tomorrow.
HT made the wave.
I know this bitch named Street steadily doing me dirty, but I'm still up in her while I'm gripping this 30. Orders in up in a phantom when a nigga feel worried. Start thinking too much, feel like my time coming early. Street killing me slowly, and I don't even notice. Love this bitch so much, it's hard for me to get over. Even my homies up in her, see this bitch got us poison all up in my head daily like a devil on my shoulder. These streets so cold, summer nights be colder. Got me gripping on my heater and murder I showed her. Thought she the one for me, but without her get further. She don't wanna see me when she wanna see me get murdered. But I can't help when I'm with her, even though this bitch is a cursor. Yeah, I love this bitch to death, but it's not vice versa. I can't help when I'm with her, even though this bitch is a cursor. Yeah, I love this bitch to death, but it's not vice versa. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Streets so cold, they be doing you dirty. Got this 40 on.
Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love it, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Bitch said she love me, nigga. Ah, fuck.
But these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Bitch said she love me, never put nothing above me. All that shit changed when she took my little brother from me. Loyalty don't mean nothing when it comes to these streets. Why you think little Lonely always stay with a hit? Can't stop. Can you place me in right there? Bitch said she love me, never put nothing above me. All that shit changed when she took my little brother from me. Loyalty don't mean nothing when it comes to these streets. Why you think little Lonely always stay with a hit?
That's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Streets so cold, they be doing you dirty. Got this 40 on my lap, but he gripping the 30, I'm chasing the green. Got these streets in between. These bitches fucking with me, tryna get up in my dreams, but the streets are getting colder. Niggas getting mad, counting all this paper while these hoes are getting sad. Hearts getting broken, and a nigga with no feelings. Never catch feelings for a fucking stupid bitch. Better watch out. So she running out this snitch, feeding for some dick, feeding for some clout. Speaking on my name, I'ma shut that shit out, cause I'm pistol packing. And the nigga stay clapping. I was only 14 with a mug on me. You could catch me on the first selling all this tree. Hey.
See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Bitch said she love me, never put nothing above me. All that shit changed when she took my little brother from me. Loyalty don't mean nothing when it comes to these streets. Why you think little Lonely always stay with a hit? Can't stop, won't stop till I'm 6 feet deep. I'm cold hearted to this gang cause the shit that I say. As a young girl, she opened up and took me under her wing. I got my first trap at the age of 15. Convinced me to run around
Purchase
with
your
my
tracks
peace.
today.
Now these demons taking over me. Sometimes I can't even sleep. All these voices in my head say she lost, so say Lord to me. Gave my all to this bitch, she ain't get nothing to me. Gave the judge a nervous take me from my family. Shit, now you know this bitch can't even handle me.
See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head. See, I love this bitch to death, but these streets they only love you when you dead. Heart full of pain, and that's why these tears shed. Trapped up in this curse with these demons in my head.
Yeah, that shit sounds cool.
What do you want me to call it, bro?
Streets.
These streets?
These streets, yeah.
You said these?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to put it so you can put your name and everything on it? Or
Yeah. So what do you guys think?
Shit was whack, y'all not gonna like it. And subscribe to me and Smooth.
Marcus, what did you think?
Shit. First time studio.
Pretty cool being in a studio than a closet though.
Yeah, that shit's it. Ain't gonna lie.
So it's pretty cooler being in a studio than a closet though.
Okay. I feel like I breathe more, nigga.
Yeah.
You got it? Send it to me, nigga. Put two when I dropped out. You ain't me, so you won't know though. How I feel, I'm moving solo. For a minute, I was living.